I am Aryan Sinha. So friends, in the previous video part 3 on Dog's Dinner game, we created the level 1. Okay. So friends, in today's video part 4, I am going to create level 2. Okay. Now friends, one more important point I want to tell you, that is, it is not important to create the levels just like I created. You can change it, customize it yourself too. Okay, there will be no problem. Okay, now let's start. Now I will duplicate this. Now friends, if you have not watched the level 1 video, please check it out. It was amazing. Now friends, first of all I will delete all of this. Wait a minute. I will click on red button, then I will delete it, or else it will fall. And then, because for level 2 we need a new platform. Okay, this is basically a platform game. Delete. I just don't want to click on green flag, or else this will fall, and that is not good. And then delete, and then delete. Okay, done. Now friends, I will start. First, I will increase its mass, okay, to 11, and then I will keep its color maybe blue. You can keep it red or green. And remember, try yourself, okay, to create it much better than I created. Okay, now friends, I have the XY grid here, so I will not have any problem in creating the level 2. Now I will create it. You know what? It's very thin. Okay, I will increase its size by a little bit. Anyways, now I will select it, and first of all I will increase its size to, okay, great. Now, 20 will be very useful. Now copy it and then paste it. In the previous video, with the help of copy and paste, I was able to do lots of things. First of all, I will delete this one again. I will select it. You know why? I will tell you now. First, I will keep it here with the help of my left and right arrows. I will keep it just like here. After finishing this, it will look like a ladder. Okay, it will look like a broken ladder. For this one, I am creating the walls. And then now, for the dog to land, I will select this line option again, and then I will decrease its size because we don't want it to be very big. Okay, or else, you know what, I will not create this, like I will make a square. Come on. Now friends, I will keep its color same like the, see, first of all I will keep its color. Okay, and then I will select this, and I will again keep it this color. Now it's same like this. Anyways, we don't need the outline, so I will obviously delete it. Okay, now first I will create a platform for the dog to land. This is very fat, so I will decrease it, maybe this much, and then I will keep it here. Okay, level 1 is too easy. Level 2 should be a little bit harder, right? And then I will cut little part of that, but you know what, let's keep it that size only, or what I can do is I can minimize its size and then I can keep it here, and then copy and paste. In this level we don't need different colors. If you want, you can keep different colors. You know what, I have done a mistake. That is, I have keeping this too short. I want to keep it little bit long, and then I will select this part. I will make it little bit fatter and little bit stretchy, and this should be enough. Okay, now again line option, not line, this option. I don't need the outline. I want it to be blank because we don't need the outline anymore. You know what, I have made it too long and too skinny too, and it's very fat. We don't want that. And then it's too short too. I will keep it little bit here so that the sprite will have a difficult time, or else, you know what, I'll keep it little bit here, and then I'll keep it little bit down, and I'll select this. Always try to improve. I'll keep it a little bit hard here. According to the screen, I am going perfect. Okay, great. It's now very useful. Now again I will copy it, and then I didn't want to do that, and I will copy it, paste it. Now for the final downward part, I will increase its size by this much, and then I will keep it little bit here, and I will decrease it. You will know it in the future, but not right now. I will tell you later in the future. Let me just select its right position. Okay, great. And it's too fat. Let's keep it this much long and this much long too. Now I'll keep it little bit up here. Okay. And you guys know I have created this very short, so I will try to improve it. I will keep it a little bit up here, and then I will select this, and then I will keep it in the middle of these two. Okay, great. Now it's useful. It's looking like a broken ladder. Okay. And then this one is too far away from this part. And again I will keep it little bit here. And here will be the portal to go to the next level. Level 3 will be done in the next part. Now for now, this dog is, I don't want the dog right now. I will go to looks, and then I will just make it hide for now. Come on, hide. Okay, great. Now where should I keep the player block? This time it should go here. Now let's test it. Oh, very good. Now I can go back up here. That's why I stretch it a little bit, or else the dog can just go back up. That is not fair. And I can go up by here too. And it's like I'm enjoying it because it's fun. First of all, I will do this, and then I will keep it here, and then I will go here. I just want to play it. It's very fun. This game is becoming very fun since we add the levels, the platforms. Now I will change its costume. I know that would happen. That's why I should add click on red button now. Now howling dog is looking ugly. Okay, I will not say that. See, now it's very good. See, there is a gap here. That's why the dog has problem. It can go back up here and then again go back up here. Okay, but since it will go here, then it can't go back up. Okay, that was amazing. Now friends, in today's video, we created the level 2, which is very amazing, right? See how many changes we have done in the game. Okay, before it was just a solid platform with coverings. Now see how better it is right now. We are improving the game. In the next video, I will create level 3, which will be more amazing and more bigger. Thank you. Bye. Like and share. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.